What is up, guys? It's your boy Felipe right here in fabulous Las Vegas. So a couple years ago, I shot a prank in Morocco called Sneezing on People Prank. I'm gonna bring that back to you here in Vegas. I'm sorry, did I get on you? I was just trying to cool you down, that's all it is. Did I get on you? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did I get on you?
No, you're good.
Okay. That got on you?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, I'm sorry. Oh! Yeah, I've been having a cold lately. I'm sorry, I've been sneezing like crazy. Did that get on you? I'm sorry. I just sneezed on this dude. Sorry, man. Did that get on you? No English? Okay. No, I sneezed. Did it come on you?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, man.
Oh, bro.
That got on you?
Disrespectful, cuz.
I'm sorry, man. I was just too close to
That
you.
was hella disrespectful. Can you back up then, cuz?
Yeah, you're good, man. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. You good?
Nasty, though.
I'm
'Cause I don't know you, though.
It wasn't
That
on
shit
purpose.
nasty.
I swear it wasn't on purpose, man. Do you know them? Alright. I'm act like I'm just sneeze on them.
Oh, wait till I move.
No, I'm gonna cut you. Is that cool?
Oh, you
I'm sorry, bro. Did that get on you?
Yeah, don't play like that, man.
I'm sorry, man. That was on purpose. I caught a cold, man. I caught a cold, man. And that was Sneezing in Vegas, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a big like, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to stay tuned on the latest lit updates. Peace. Just kidding. It was water.
Okay.
It's just a prank.
Yes.
Why'd you spoil it, man? We had to keep him in the act.
Stay with the girls, not boys.
Oh no, guys are more fun. Guys are more fun. So hopefully that cooled you down, huh? Look. You're famous now, man. Have a nice day. I'm just playing with you. It's a prank. You want a prank shot?
Are you joking or something?
Bro, you're good, man.
Oh,
That's all over everybody's